Good morning, students. Welcome back to this data structure class again. Uh, we are discussing about binary search tree traversal. In the last class, I have given you some assignment to work out. Hope you all have done that assignment. Check your answer with the discussion. We are going to do it now. So these are the two problems for which I asked you to find the in-order, pre-order, post-order traversal. Okay, for this problem, in-order. You know that in-order starts from, yeah, they are executed in the order of left child, parent, right child. L, T, R. Starting from root, it is a parent. Go to the left child, it is also a parent. Go to the left child, it is also a parent. Go to the left child, it's also a parent. Go to the left child, 15, it is not a parent but leaf. 15. Then the parent, 20. Then the right child, 25. Now the parent of 20, that is 30. Then the right child, 32. 32 is a parent. So the left child, 31. Then the parent. Then the right child, 35. Now the parent of 30, that is 48. No right child for 48. So the parent of 48, that is 50. Then the right child, 70, parent. The left child, 65. 65 is a parent, but it doesn't have any left child. So 65. Then the right child, 67. It's a parent. So the left child of 67, 66. Then the parent, 67. Then the right child, 69. Now we can write the parent of 65, that is 70. Then the right child, 90. 90 is a parent, but it doesn't have any left child, so we can write straight away, right? 90. Then the right child, 98. 98 is a parent, so the left child, 94. Then the parent, 98. Then the right child, 99. In order. So you look at this, the numbers are in the ascending order. Next we go for the pre-order. What is the order? Parent, left child, right child. Turn left child, right child. Okay, that is the order. We start from root, parent, 50. Then the left child, right child. Left child is a parent, 48. Then the left child of 48, that is 30. That is also a parent. Then the left child of 30, that is 20. That is also a parent. Then the left and right child of parent 20, that is 15 and 25. Then the right child of 30, that is 32. 32 is a parent. Then the left and right child, 31 and 35. Now the right child of 48, it doesn't have any right child. Now we can write the right child of 50, that is 70. 70 is a parent, then the left child, 65. 65 is a parent, it doesn't have left child, so after 65, that is the right child, 67. Then the left and right child, 66, 69. Then the right child of 70, that is 90. Parent doesn't have left child, so right child, 98. Then the left and right child, children, 94, 99. Okay. Now the post order traversal. Post order, what's the order? Left child, right child, parent. Starting from root, it's a parent. So we should write the left and right child. When I come to the left child, it is 48 is a parent. So I should write the left child. 30 is a parent. I should write the left child. 20 is a parent. So before writing 20, I should write this 15 and 25. 15, 25. Now I can write the parent 20. So the left child of 30 is written. Now the right child of 30, that is 32. 32 is a parent. So the children should be written 31 and 35. Then the parent 32. Now the parent of 20 and 32 can be written, that is 30. Now the right sibling of 30 should be written, but there is no right sibling of 30, that is not the right child of 48. So now I have to write this 48 only now. 48. Now the sibling of 48, that is 70. So 70 is a parent. So the left child and the right child. Left child 65. 65 is a parent. It has only right child. So 67. 67 is a parent. So the children of 67 should be written, that is 66, 69. Then the parent 67. Now the parent of 67, that is 65, can be written. Now the right sibling 90. 90 is a parent. So the left child, right child. No, left child, right child, 98 is a parent. So the children 94 and 99. 94, 99. Then the parent of these two, that is 98. Now the parent of 98, 90. Now the parent of 90, 70. Now the parent of 70, that is 50. See, the root node comes very last. That is how the post order is executed for this tree. Okay. So this problem also I have given in the last class. I asked you to get the in order, pre-order, post-order traversal. Okay. In order. Left child, parent, right child, starting from root. Left 50 is a parent. The children 40 and 55 should be written. 40 is a parent. 30 is a parent. So 20, 30, 35. 20, 30, 35. 35. 20, 30, 35. Now the parent of 30, 40 and 45. 40, 45 we cannot write because it's a parent. So the left child of 45, that is 42. Then 45. No right child. So now these things are written now. Then the parent of 40, that is 50. Right child 55 is a parent. So the children of 55, 53, 58. 53, then 55, then 58. Now these things are over. Left child of 60, that is 50 is written. Now the parent 60. Then the right child of 60, that is 70 is a parent. Come go to the left child, 65 is a parent. Go to the left child, 63. 63. Then the parent 65. Then the right child 68. Now the parent 70. Then the right child 80. 80 is a parent. So 75, then 80, then 90. So this is the in-order traversal of this particular tree. Okay, next, what is the pre-order traversal? That is, what is the ordering? Pre-order means parent left right, parent left right. Starting from root, 60 is a parent. You display it. Then the left and right child, 50 is a parent. Left child 40 is a parent. Forty is a parent, left child 30 is a parent. Then the left and right child, that is 20 and 35. So now the right child of 40, that is 45. 45. Then the left child 42. These things are written. So up to this everything is written. Now the right child of 50, that is 55. 55 is a parent. Then the children 53, 58. 53, 58. Now these things are written. Now the right child of 60, that is 70 is a parent. Then its children 65, 80, but 65 is a parent. So its children 63 and 88, 68. It is over 70. Now the right child of 70, 80. 80 is a parent. Then the children 75, 90. Okay, this is what pre-order traversal of this one is. Next, post order. Post order. What is the ordering? Left child, right child, parent. Starting from root, write the children of 60, 55, 50 and 70, but 50 is a parent, children 45, 55, 40 is a parent, 30, 45, 30 is a parent, so the children 20 and 35. 20, 35, then the parent 30. Then children sibling of 30, that is 45. 45 is a parent, so write the children first. 42, no right sibling, so 45. Now the parent of these children 40. Then the right sibling of 40, that is 55. 55 is a parent, so 53, 58. Then the parent 55. 40, 55, 50. Then the sibling of 50, that is 70. 70 is a parent. So 65, 80. 65 is a parent. 63, 68. Then the parent 65. Sibling of 65, 80. 80 is a parent. So 75, 90. Then the parent 80. 65, 80 parent 70. Then the parent 60. So this is what the post ordering of this tree. Compare this result with your assignment or check whether they are matching. Okay. So we have discussed in depth about this tree traversal. Okay. But we haven't written a program that does this work. We haven't implemented this work. Okay. That we will try to do it now. So I'm going to adopt the recursive approach for creating a tree and displaying the contents. You know what is that recursion is? Ability of a function to call itself in its own body is called a recursion. We have discussed in detail about that recursive concepts. So in this tree, you see that you take every node is have an information value and a pointer to the left side, pointer to the right side, if they are. Okay, you take this leaf 20, it has an information value, but it doesn't have left child and the right child. So the left pointer for this 20 is nil, right pointer for this 20 is nil. There is a left pointer for 60, that is 50. Okay, for this 45, there is no right child, so the right pointer is nil, whereas the left pointer is pointing to the node having 42. So what I am trying to say is I am going to construct a self-referential structure in which three members are there. One member is the value of the node and another member is a pointer to the left child and another member is a pointer to the right child. First we construct that one now. Okay. So struct tree node so for convenience sake I take all the values of that tree as integers. Okay. Then there is a pointer for the left side and the right child. So tree node pointer for the left side left, comma, pointer for the right, HT, okay, pointer for the right. So this is my self-referential structure. I use it for creating a binary search tree. Then let me create a class for this tree. So I get class tree type. So I told you several times that every linked data structure should have an external pointer. Here there should be an external pointer for the root. So I call that as tree node star root. Star root. So root is an external pointer for the first node root. Okay. Then the operations I am going to do it on this tree. So I need a constructor. Okay. Constructor. Then I need a mechanism to insert node into a tree. So void insert item. So int, what is the item to be inserted and where it is to be inserted. Tree node star reference temp. So in the tree pointed by this temp, you add this item. That is the meaning. Then I need one more function for insert void insert what is the purpose of this particular insert, you will know in a little while. Okay. Tree node star. Okay. Then I need a function for in-order traversal. So void print in order. Print in order. Tree node star T. What does it mean? Display the tree pointed by this pointer in the in-order way. Similarly, void print reorder. Similarly, void print post order. Star T. So we have designed a class for this one. Now we will elaborate all these methods of this class in the next class, next period. Okay, we will see those implementation in the next period. Okay, see you in the next class.